Hey guys, Mr. K here. Now, before now, Access Bank had an existing app, but in a bid to reduce, customers' journey, Access Bank has created Access More. And guys, here are all the things you can do on the app. Now, for those who want to open a new Access Bank account, you can do so in less than 10 minutes on the app. All you need is your BVN code, a selfie, a valid form of identification, utility bill, and your signature. It's kind of a lot more than one might expect, but at the end of the day, all of this information is just a snap away. Now, if you're already registered on the platform, all you have to do is log in with your fingerprint. But guys, the cool thing about Access More is that you can even make transactions without logging in, and this is done through the quick links tab right there on the login page. Anyway, once you're logged in, you get to see the dashboard, and I like the fact that the UI is quite simple, like there's no unnecessary drama going on. And there's also the fact that you can edit the dashboard to your taste, so it's more like the notification panel that you have on most Android smartphones. Now, you can also switch the color or the theme if you want to. So if you're not a fan of green, you can always change it to blue. Now, as far as the functionality of the app goes, well, here are some cool offerings from Access More. Now, first off, there's the ability to generate a self-pay QR code for intra-bank transfer. I personally like this because, before now, you'd have to be a merchant to be able to use this feature, but now anybody can actually generate a QR code for their account, and you can also use the inbuilt QR code scanner to make payment. The second thing you can do on the app is the ability to limit your transactions. So maybe you don't want to go past a spending limit, or maybe you're trying to protect your account from fraud. Well, you can limit your transactions on the app by going to profile and then editing the figures to your taste. Now, the transaction limit feature is applicable to both intra and even foreign transfers, guys. Now, as expected, you can also carry out other banking functions, for example, mobile top-up, bill payments. You can even make investments and request for loans right there on the app. And of course, you can make transfers as expected. But in addition to all of that, Access More will also let you request for your debit card or credit card right there on the app. Although for now, you have to pick up, there is no home delivery option. And guys, there's also the fact that you can make foreign currency transfers, you can manage your beneficiaries better than before, and you can even get access to customer care services right there on the app. Now, the last thing I want to talk about with regards to the app is the fact that Access Bank has also incorporated a lifestyle section that lets you book flights, pay for, Bet Naija, yes, and even buy movie tickets. Unfortunately, because of what is going on, we can't do that for now. And there's also the fact that you can get access to a lot of deals. For example, at the moment, you can actually buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and spread it across a 12-month payment plan, which is, cool if you're interested. Anyway, like I said, this is a more advanced version of the existing app. Maybe that's why they are calling it Access More. And if you own an Access Bank account or you're planning to, then you definitely need Access More. So with that said, let me know what you think. Is there any feature that you think is missing right now on the app? Is there any feature you'd love to see on Access More for those who own Access Bank accounts? Let me know in the comment box, and do subscribe, like, and share this video, guys. Take care.